Yo, Harlow. How's it going, bud? Welcome back, my friend. Oh, we forgot one. Twitch. Alright. We're on. We're in. Let's actually change the Twitch category. Why not? Dom, dom. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. Game development. Oops, development. Oh, damn it. I can't spell. You know, typing missing your first finger is fucking annoying. Not impossible, it's just fucking annoying. Yeah, I'm doing alright. You know, happy Wednesday. I read my note, so I know what we're supposed to do. I wrote myself a note to remind myself, and I totally forgot what I was supposed to do until I saw that note, so I'm glad I did that. That's good sound. Okay, sorry. So yes, I need to get my local running, which it is not. My computer restarted. I don't remember why. I think it had like an update or something. I hate when that shit happens. So we'll get the local running. We need to change the mission drop down to a multi-select. What up, Dabin? Yeah, because we need to be able to select more than one mission. I think. Wait, hold on. Let me read my note again. No. Where was it? No. No. Wasn't that one. No. Make next mission. Multi-select. Right. That's what it was. I need next mission to be a multi-select so that I can start multiple missions. Right? Is that how next mission works? Or is next mission the mission that makes your mission show? Shit. You want to know the longest word in English dictionary? Yeah, I think I've heard it before, but yeah, go for it. What is it? I want to hear it. You must tell me. Oh, typing. I miss you. It takes 300 hours to say? How long would it take you to type it, though? That's the real question. The ultimate question. How long would it take you to type? So it would be... Where are we? Oh, we're in cutscenes. We need to go to missions. More? More than 300 hours? Yeah, maybe. Especially me, man. I'm not the quickest typer in the world. Especially right now. I really want to take this shit off right now. I wonder if I can get away with it. I'm gonna see if I can take off at least one layer. I'm taking off the first layer of the band-aid. It'll probably help me type. What's the second longest word? That's not that bad. Oh yeah, isn't the first one like a whole fucking page? Alright, now the band-aid is smaller. Still covering the damage. But I think I can type now, so that's good. So next mission, yes. What does next mission do? Let's first figure out if I have this correct. Wait, I think I already do have this correct. Talk to Andy 1. This is the actual mission. No, this is a cutscene. Where's the mission? Probably wouldn't even be able to tell you because of the limit of characters. Yeah, that's true. You're not wrong. So, collect your ID makes the next mission show up. Yeah. So, you're supposed to put the mission that it makes show. Okay. Which, if we did change it to be the mission that triggers you, logically that's better logic to me. Because, like, if you make a mission, you shouldn't have to go back and change the old mission if you wanted to make another mission show. You should use the new mission and reference the old one. I don't know. But now I'm kind of in that mode where I'm like, I already have the logic set up, fuck you. Alright, let's just make it a multi-select. Okay, I don't have a multi-select field yet. So let's figure that out. We have select, but we need a multi-select. I don't even have a checkbox field. Okay. So we have to make a new meta field. That's kind of annoying. I could switch it back to a text field and get lazy, but that's not good for the future. We need this to work. Okay. We're making a new field. We will use radio as a basis. We'll call it multi-select. Alright. And it goes on and on and on. Nice. That makes sense. Okay. So, we got the label. And now what we need is the array. So this is going to be another array one. Just like the select. Ooh, I should actually be using the select. Let's change this to select. Because doing the same thing, except for using options, it's going to use checkboxes. Multi-select. Alright, there we go. So instead of options, it's going to be inputs. Type checkbox. Check the box. Alright. And we have the name for it. So that'll be the label, I guess. We'll wrap this in a label. And then we'll put it, we'll put the name where the label is. Alright, there we go. Oh, we need to, where's my little util? Yeah, this guy. We need this. For the label, which would be option name. That's just a portion of it? Yeah. That's crazy. That's highly annoying as well, I must say. Alright, so we'll do this. Name. Oh wait, this is only if it's... This might be... Yeah, this is for the voices. So wait, what's the default? I guess it's this. This is the no? Yeah, this is the default. Right. I don't need this. I just need... I guess we'll do this. Option name if it exists, I guess. And then we'll use option if it doesn't. And let's actually get rid of the UC first. There's no point for that. Cool. All right, that should work. So it goes, if this exists, then do this. Otherwise, do this. That works. And then, yeah, we don't need the default none. Oh, maybe we do need default none. Nah, you can define that as a thing. You gotta go fight my grandma. I'll be back. Okay. Hey, go fight your grandma, man. Some people just have to fight grandmas. I don't question you. Make sure you think of this. Grandma fight. There you go. That was for your grandma fight. Alright, so we have the checkbox. The name will be... what? The name will be... selected, needs to be checked instead. Yep. How does multi-select checking work? Multi-selects are so complex in my brain. That's fine. We'll figure it out. I actually think I need to just like delete all this. Let's not delete everything though. Okay. So the value is the option name. Okay, if it exists. Otherwise it's option. You know what? I think name is specifically for the voices again. You forgot you ate my grandma. Yes, Moana reference. Love it. Alright, so this is no longer a select. We do not need you. Yeah, so this kind of screws it up because the name is the option name. Pop, 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 pop. In the same array. Right. You're gonna quit YouTube? Dak, dude, why? Don't you quit YouTube. You have so much to live for. Alright, let's do this. So we'll do this. We'll do this for all of the checkboxes. So let's do that. Oh, shit. Okay, we'll do that. Okay. So if I use that, pop, 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 we have the option. So I don't think option name is a thing. I think instead it's just option. Okay, so that's one thing. And the option is the name of the checkbox. But do we need a name and the value? No, I'll use it for the same thing. We don't need to make the label different. That's fine. Okay. You got a couple dollars short of getting some flex keys. Ooh. Ah. Yeah, shipping is like $4 or $5. That is true. Though, if you spend $500 at Orbem shop, I'll give you free shipping. That's not true. I will though. I haven't set that up, but I'll totally do that. Because there are a bunch of slurs. to call Fun Happy Time Worker.js, and they're gonna roll out AI that decides. Oh, that's right. And decide if you're 18 or not. Yeah, I heard about that. Biometric and stuff. Hey, Yatin! Yatin, how you doing? Welcome, my friend. Yeah, Dak, dude, I heard about the AI stuff. It's kind of, pain in the nuts. I hope it doesn't go through. I'm sure they're gonna get a lot of pushback in the US for that kind of stuff. Especially once it starts fucking up and, like, making, like... I don't know. My accounts are being used all the time by my kids, you know, to watch random shit. A lot of kid stuff. So I have a feeling like a lot of parents and stuff are going to get their accounts locked out because their kids are watching kid videos on their YouTube. August 13th. Did they really set a date for that? That's crazy. Well, we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's very smart AI. And doesn't screw everybody. I mean, you're screwed, but... yeah, a lot of people that are 18 too are like right on the cusp. Ugh, it's gonna be impossible for it to tell. Okay, so now we're down to here. We have the checkbox. The value is going to be the option. That doesn't make any sense. Right. That doesn't make sense for select. It doesn't make sense for this, though. No, it does make sense for this. Wait. Yeah, it does make sense. So let's just do option again. Okay. So that's fine. And then checked. The internet is burning to the ground. Yeah. It's a lot of, you know, overarching laws being put in place for privacy rules on different countries. I mean, for the web development community, it's very rough right now. You stuck here without a clue how to survive without it? Yeah, well, everybody grew up on it, right? Don't worry, you're not going to lose it. You're just going to lose all the stuff that you like, you know? You won't lose everything, though. All the nice, wholesome stuff. My streams, very wholesome. You won't lose them. You can always turn to Twitch. Or just go to orbemortar.com and watch my stream from my homepage. You don't use it for entertainment? Oh, okay. No, I know you don't. But I mean, you're going to be able to still do Google searches and stuff, obviously. You're going to be able to do schoolwork. You know, all the normal stuff. Emails, talking to friends. But, yeah. Anything that has potential... fucking adult content or whatever. I mean, my kid's having a hard time on Roblox right now. Like, she really loves drawing games, you know? And they blocked every drawing game on Roblox for adult content because people are just drawing penises, you know? And, like, racial slurs. Like, immediately they do it. So, it's like... they have to put these protections in place for liability, you know? Hey, on program. How you doing, bud? Oh, good morning. Happy Thursday. Good morning. Good morning. And we're sitting here in the US at night. Wednesday night. Hey, Baconese is back. What up? How you doing? How's Roblox? So everything, almost everything, can have porn, YouTube, a whole bunch of shit. No, not everything. There's already plenty of blocks on a lot of content. And not every site, you know, is running ads either, you know? So you won't be completely blocked. I don't run ads. Oh yeah, 11:40 over here in Michigan too. Whoop whoop. Let's go. So main key. Then we're gonna get meta values key, and that gives you the checked value. See, this is where I need to start paying attention because, well, yeah, YouTube people get around those laws or those whatever checks. So, I mean, you'll still be able to see it, obviously. If they can't block it now, they can't block it after they put age restrictions. Unless they're going to banish you to the kids app, which that app is very limiting. I was using it for my kids for a very long time. But we buy a lot of movies on YouTube, and like all the kids' movies we have on our main account, so they need access to our account. So that's what I'm talking about. Like, we're going to get screwed if they start blocking us. So if meta key is false, then meta value equals key. But I need the value for the multi-select. So I need to know if option, so key option, or meta main key option. Okay, so that's the difference here. Cool. And then the checked is the option right here. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing that. There we go. True. Okay, this should work if I do what I'm doing, I'm supposed to be doing correctly. So we'll leave this as this for now, and now we'll go try to wire it up for the MetaBox class. So where's select? I need to copy select. So select does not equal type, and multi-select does not equal type. We don't have checkbox, don't lie to me. You're gonna give your government ID to a site that has everything else about me. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the weird part about giving out like your driver's license to these websites. Because like, yeah, sure, the government has your ID information already, but they don't know what website you're going to inherently, right? Hey, No Name Noggin, how's it going, bud? Welcome back. The coolest YouTuber so far, has his own books, makes his own game engine, checks all the marks. Hell yeah, huh, programmer. And plays sweet tunes. Playing my own tunes. That's my own Rushy. Good. I'm really cool. No Name Noggin. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. You know, that's the only reason I stream, guys. I really need the affirmations. I need everybody to tell me how cool I am. That makes me feel good. All right. See you later. Get some sleep, Bacon. Did you see the prologue? I did see that came out. Yeah, I gotta read that. I've been having a nightmare amount of work lately during the day, so I haven't had a chance to just have fun. All right. Multi-select. What else do we have? Something else about select. Select. So let's try to use an example of the select. So in explore missions, we need next mission. Instead of being a select, it needs to be a multi-select. Right. Using the mission array. Okay. So we'll see if this works. And then do I need to actually register select anywhere else? I don't think so. Good thing there's not a lot of selects on this page. Did it there. Okay, that's it. Alright, let's try it out. I think I'm gonna have some issues in the save post function, but we'll figure it out. Discord. Yeah, I know you posted it in the writing channel. I saw it. I definitely want to read this. How long is it? Oh, it's short. Alright, I'll read this now live. Unless you're embarrassed. Hey, Talu! Man, the gang's all here! Happy Wednesday, everybody. You got the cops called on you? What are you talking about? What are you taking inspiration from? Is there anything specific? Yeah, you know, all the media I grew up watching. Animes, sci-fi books I've read, the normal, you know, hero movies, and old Japanese samurai movies, and old 80s movies kill me, man. I love them. I love a good 80s movie. Soldier, it's one of my favorites. And I just watched all the RoboCops recently. Watched all the Lethal Weapons. Saw all the Predators, all the Aliens. Yeah, I don't know, man. Bloodsport. All those damn 80s movies really get me. But yeah, I take inspiration from everything. I don't really have a choice. You know, can't just make stuff up. You DGAF if I read on stream? Okay, cool. I'm gonna read it then. It's 6:46. Oh, work time. All right, Talu, you better be working. Put me on in the background. Give me some of that watch time. Sorry, Han. It's Thursday for some people. Still Wednesday for others. You ding dong ditched? Oh. Fantastic. That'll do it. Your personal inspiration for the game I'm making is from the indie game One Shot. Ooh. I like that. Yeah, I mean, obviously my game inspiration is is Orbem. That's my inspiration for that. But what my inspiration from Orbem was definitely a mixture of like Magic 2.0 by Scott Meyer, that series, Scott Myers, and then some Battle Mage was another one that I kind of like took some inspiration for the writing style. Battle Mage, great book. One Shot. Let's see, what is One Shot? One Shot. Ooh, I like it. I like it already. What is it? What does it do? Future Cat. I like that name. A surreal puzzle game. Unique mechanics, capabilities. Hell yeah. That's cool. No Name Noggin's making a very cool game. Can we play Roblox later? I will be sleeping later, but maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I jump on Roblox at random times. You kind of have to catch me. It's usually when my daughter wants to play. I'm on your phone. 1 to 2 minutes later, you'll be in the second monitor. Hell yeah. Let's go. All right, baconies. You get some sleep or whatever you're doing. Yeah, yeah. That's what I was doing. Let me read the prologue. Where? Oh, is it on Discord? No, I clicked the link. What happened to it? Oh, maybe I closed it. Oh, that's right. I was wondering if you were gonna be all weird about it. All right, here we go. What should I? Oh, who is this? Marie. Okay. What should we do? Marie asked. I mean, I love him, Adam, but we can't survive like this. I know, dear. I love him too, Adam responded. Well, what do we do? I don't want to just abandon him. I can't read. Marie was to the point of tears. From the distance, they heard people running. Fuck, Adam said, pulling Marie close and pushing her along while they ran. As they ran, the baby began to be fussy. Baby. Shh, it's okay, honey. We're almost safe now. Marie soothed the baby. You're almost safe now. Ooh, okay. Well, hey, one thing I love about your writing, Dak, dude, is that it makes me have no idea what's going on. And I love it. It's so confusing and I want to know more. It really makes me want to know. Out of context, I have no idea what's going on. Now there's a baby. It's pretty crazy. And I remember what I read before from your other chapters. And I thought they were kids. So I guess now they're kids with a baby. Unless you change something. That's fantastic, though. Gaming stream sometimes? Nah, I don't game. I make my game. It's the only off time I have is when I'm streaming. So I'm working on my game or the game engine. Sometimes I work on music. Sometimes I work on... I was at one point writing my book on stream as well. So I don't know how much fun that was for people. Oh, it's 11 a.m. here in Indonesia. Nice. It's a good morning then. I know it's already 1 a.m. in New York. What? No, it's not. It's definitely not 1 a.m. in New York. How dare you lie to me. Actually, we got another buddy, Indy. He's in New York as well. I don't know. He hasn't jumped on in a little while. Oh, he's in Florida right now. Summer vacay. Okay, so let's see if that new field is working. I have a feeling it's not. Oh, here we go. Next mission. Multi-select. Well, there you go. Obviously, that is not what I was expecting, but it definitely did something. Okay. So, if multi-select is coming out as the name, then I definitely need to do another for each loop. So let's go ahead. Yeah, because that means that option is multi-select. Which... Oh, here we go. This is why. Type. There we go. Let's try that, actually. That should work now. I mean, work better. What? That doesn't make any sense. Alright, Dak Dude. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Wait, what? So now type should be... So option... Oh, whatever. I guess that wasn't the right option. So this is coming out as the value. That doesn't make any sense. Hold on. Multi-select means... Oh, this is for the save post. Okay. So that doesn't matter. Wait, where is it doing the whole... Okay, so this is... Where is it using... Like registering... Oh, is it registering this? No. Oh, here it is. Getting the metadata. Right. Blah, blah, blah. No, this is save post, isn't it? No, this is for adding the meta box. Oh, it's sending the value like this. Okay, got it. Okay. So then metadata comes out. Oh yeah, this is getting Orbem arrays, which is fine. What happened? That's my dream where I want to go in my channel. You have a short when it says a place I want to go. I said Indonesia. Ooh. Nice. That's awesome. All right. Thanks, No Name Noggin. Appreciate you jumping on, giving me your valuable watch time. I'll be honest, guys. The thing I need the most is watch time. Because subscriber count's fine. But watch hours is very hard. It's a commodity that I value highly. Give me your watch time. If I could just have 10,000 people watching me for an hour, I'll be solid. Okay, so here's the multi-select, and I'm using this. Now I'm starting to think maybe this shouldn't be wrapped in an array. Let's see what that does. Go. Oh, it explodes. Well, that makes sense. So this is still wrong. This shouldn't be multi-select. Oh, I'm an idiot. No, I'm not an idiot. Next mission. Why is multi-select coming out as the name? Yeah, next mission is there. But multi-select is coming out as like the sub name. Let's find out why. So the fucking bugs, dude. Okay, so yeah, that already has an... Oh, maybe I don't need the label then? No, I do need the label. So that just means that option is coming out as multi-select, which is wrong. So I need another fucking for each loop. Let me var dump this real quick just in case. New option. CS is only if sub-value is an array, and it should be an array. No var dump? Huh? Ooh. What? Okay. So it feels like this isn't getting hit. What? At all. Got it. We're missing something. I have now come to terms with we are missing something. Hold on. H2. Yeah. Okay, hold on. There's definitely a metabox like template that we need to attach something to. Here we go, metabox. This is where it's getting screwed up. Aha! I forgot to add this to the list. Okay, multi-select. You are now one of the crew, multi-select. Multi-select. What the fuck? I wish I was famous. Ooh, get slimed. Yeah, that'd be cool. Was that Nickelodeon slimed? Is that what you're talking about? Get slimed. Multi-select. Okay. I think this will solve all our problems. Alright, here we go. Hey, it worked. Look at that. Very cool. Multi-select. Yeah, exactly. That would be quite the event. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so we have a label, label, label. Okay, so the only thing we have an issue with now is that the name is wrong. I like the value. I don't like the name though. But I don't have a choice. So that's fine. I'll need to add a label, basically. Yeah, well, what are we getting now? Hold on, let me check what we're getting. Because maybe I can get the name from option. I don't think I can. Actually, now I think about it. Hold on, what is that giving us? The mission array is giving us... See? Oh, it's just giving us the post name. So just a slug. That's not very helpful. Be pray and namaskil, bro. Choose Islam. I know already. You got it, man. Proud of you for speaking up. And welcome to the stream, Mehmed. Don't let anybody take your faith. Hey, Golzora. What up, H-Low, buddy? How you doing? Welcome to the party. Yes, it's just giving us the name. So I think what I'm going to need to do is what I thought I was going to need to do, and I guess add this to the label list. Which is fine, I guess. No, it's not fine, because then I'd have to add it for every... Yeah, we're not doing that. Let's just do this. str replace. str replace. Yeah, in fact, let's get rid of this, because you're not going to be renaming that. So string replace. We'll do an array, and we'll do an array. Okay, so now we're going to change some shit. We're going to get rid of the dashes. And... Oh, I guess that's all we're going to do. I didn't need the arrays. My bad. I got all ready to do some shit. And then let's do UC first. Or UC words. Yeah, let's try that out. So you do 2 streams or something? YouTube Shorts, regular YouTube? Yeah, 3 streams. I do YouTube Shorts, YouTube Large, full size, and then I do Twitch. So I'm on Twitch right now as well. It's just, I don't know, Twitch has been dead lately. I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, you can hop around all of them. What? I just lost my local. Okay. There we go. So those look better now. Now all we need to do is put some BRs under them. Because I say so. You just got line breaked, motherfucker. There we go. Oh, those look horrible. Let's also do a BR on the label itself. See if that helps us a little bit. So let's do 2. Okay, well, let's wrap it in a paragraph. How about that? Actually, yeah, that should be good. Let's wrap it in a paragraph. Wrap it in a paragraph. YouTube Large. I'll call that from the... Yeah, YouTube Large and then YouTube Light. There we go. That works. Actually, I think I'm going to get rid of the label one. I didn't really mind it too much. How it was before. Let's see if we... Now we just need to get the names right. Yeah, I mean, that's not the best in the world. Actually, if we put the checkbox before it, it'll be a lot better. Then it'll make more sense. This is UI design, people. Deal with it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Multi-select, baby. So collect your ID card, talk to Salverson, collect your effects. Yeah, that's great. Cool. Well, it's gonna suck when the missions get really long, but yeah, that's gonna suck. I'm gonna have to make a search feature to the multi-select eventually, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay, so we have to get the name correct. So what do we have as the name right now? Because I have a feeling it's trash. We don't have a name. Perfect. So we have value. Oh, we don't have a name. I guess that's why we don't have a name, because we never added a name. So we'll do name, which is going to be basically what I said here. It's going to be... Actually, can we steal this from select? Because I thought I did this already. Yeah. I'm going to steal name and ID. Okay, let's actually drop this down. This is getting pretty long. TBH. Alright, so now you have the name and ID. Now, if the main has a key, then it's going to be key. Not just key, though. It's going to be key. So if main key doesn't exist, it's going to be key. I mean, whatever, fine. It should always have a key. But then we have the key, which is the main thing. And then we need the option as well. So we need to add option, which is going to be like this. Hey, you nailed it. Thanks, bud. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on into this and see if we have a name and ID now. And we do. Explore next mission. Okay. So it decided to be funny and give me nothing. So this is going to be a problem. So main key doesn't exist. That's what I'm learning right now. So I need to ignore this. We don't need main key. What we do need is key and option, though. So we're basically going to do this. think key is... Are we even getting key? We might not even be getting key. So if not repeater, that means it's a selector. We're getting this. So we're actually getting... From this, we're getting key value, meta value. Okay. I think this is fine. Let's go back to multi-select. So key option, right? And option is the value is no. So the value of the checkbox, oh, there is no value for the checkbox. It's checked or not checked. So I basically need to look at this value. So if this exists, we need to check that the value is yes. So, or on. I think it's on. On is if it's on. I'm pretty sure in WordPress. So that's fine. Name is wrong. So we need to get rid of this. It just, the name should be this. Believe me, this will all make sense soon. Hey! Under on play. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome to the party. Main key. Wait, does main key not exist? Is that what we're trying to say? Main key is false. So we can't use main key. So it's key option. That's what it is. Key option. Oh, whoops. Right. This is what it is. There is no main key. It's just option. And then the meta values is key option. Okay. And if this is on, then it's checked. Okay, I think this is it, guys. Hey, Growius! How you doing? Welcome to the party. The WordPress game engine party. What do we have? There we go. So we have explore next mission. And then the array value, collect your ID. So when I save this, if it's on, it should save the value of that as on. So this should work. Don't quote me on it, but I know this is going to work. First try. Ready? Here we go. Let's save it. Save. It didn't work. Well, let's see what the database says. Let's see if anything's saved to the database. Then we can kind of fix it from there. Admin or Neo? So this would be next mission. Hey! What up? We got Sama in the house. Ooh. We have a stream avatar. Sorry you're AFK because my aunt gave us sleep gummies. Little brother. Choked? Oh shit, and threw little pieces. Oh my god. I feel bad too. That's horrible, I'm sorry. What? Where are my stream avatars? You dare defy me, stream avatar. I refresh you in the name of my website. I don't think it's, I don't think you're officially in the API yet. You'll get there. I banish you. Okay, we need to figure out where the hell is next mission? Why is it not saving? No, I guess we can search it. Post key is explore next next, yeah, mission. Joe. We'll do like... yes. Yes. No, it shouldn't be like. It should be equals. Okay. Go. What? Oh, it's because I left that. Go. Alright. Well. Nothing. Wait, what the fuck am I on? 3265. Oh, good. It's just empty. Well, at least it saved. Now he's showering and he feels all better now. Oh, okay, that's good. Good luck, little brother. I won't be here long since I have work in 19 hours. What? What does that mean? That means you have 10 hours to just hang out with me. I mean, I'm not gonna make it more than like 30 or 40 minutes. But hey, hang out. I have work in 19 hours. What was I doing? You're a deep sleeper. Nice. So am I. I am a quick and deep sleeper. Okay, so we need to get checked working, because it's not. And I have a feeling it's because meta values is giving me some bullshit. So let's figure out what bullshit it's giving me. With a handy dandy var dump. In case you guys are wondering what a var dump is. It dumps vars. Now you know. What's up now with the program? I don't know, man. Oh, well, I fucked up this P tag. There we go. I'm trying to get the multi-select for well, I have multi-select for next mission. So it used to be a drop-down, but I need to be able to select multiple missions for this mission to trigger to start. Because we have our draggable, our organizing the office mission coming up. And it has multiple missions in it. Because you like drag your desk, drag your computer, drag your whatever the fuck, lamp. I don't know. I'm gonna be making a bunch of items you have to organize in your office. So it's a little mini game-ish. I don't know. It's a task. I wouldn't even call it. It's not a puzzle per se. So yeah, we're trying to get this to save. Here we go. Okay. So next mission's giving you jack shit. Well, that's not good. Okay. Well, it just didn't save. So I need to fix save. That's fine. Let's fix save. Multi. I should have added a comma here. Select field template. Blender kept bugging on me and I added a Megamind far in the background. Nice. Just like super far, hiding. That's hilarious. Okay, so let's go to the save post. Functionality. So multi-select doesn't equal type. Okay. So that means this is going to be the multi-select. Oh, wait. I think I screwed up. Hold on. If true is an array. Oh, is array. And radio doesn't equal type. And filter array. Wait, what? Why would I not want them? Oh, because radio and... Oh, so I actually do need multi-select to be part of this. Because radio and select are actually one option. Okay, so I was wrong. Here we go. Let's try this now. Let's try it now. So now when I select these, it should save something to the database. Yeah, it was a bill of boredom of plain old Megamind with a white background. 30 times bigger. Nice. I like it. What is a WordPress? Bradley Butler. Hi, first of all, thanks for jumping in, and thank you for the question. WordPress is a content management system. If you've ever heard of what a CMS is. So this is WordPress. This is like quintessential WordPress. You use it to build websites. It can be pretty complex because it's an open source system that allows you to have a lot of control over it. So it's not just like a plug and play, drag and drop website builder. But billboard. Was it supposed to be billboard? So WordPress is this, a CMS, and I developed a plugin for WordPress. I'm a WordPress programmer, and what it does is allows people to build RPG video games in their WordPress website, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm building my own video game using my my game engine, but I'm also developing the game engine at the same time, so that's why I'm building a WordPress game engine. I think it saved. It worked. Yeah, look. They saved. Fantastic. Will they unsave, though? Yes. We did it, people. We did it. I'm going to try this. It tends to... Yeah! We did it! Come on! That's fantastic. That makes me happy. Okay, cool. So now we can actually use this. You can use the website engines as well. What? You can use the website game? What the hell are you talking about? You wrote that song. Why not use an already made engine like Unity and stuff? Wouldn't it be easier? Or is it for the challenge? No, I fucking hate how challenging it is. It's fine. I'm a WordPress program. This is the platform I know the best. I'm not a game developer. So, honestly, it was originally just to get this game, which is based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, the Harmonian Chronicles. This is my marketing website for my book series, basically. So I wanted to build the game into the website so people that read the books would like have fun and be able to kind of experience the story and the universe in a different way. But then I went off the rails and I wanted it to be a standalone game now. So I've gotten very serious about the development of the game. The power that the game engine has to build the game you want, and so that I can build maybe even like a marketing lead to get people into the universe of Orbem from the game, and then they'll want to buy the books because that's what the story it's based off of. So yeah, and Unity's really hard. I tried that one time. I highly suggest anybody who wants to use Unity have a lot of time, because I don't. I have a day job of website programming. Will it be completely accurate to the book, or will it be a little bit different? It'll be more than the book. It'll elaborate on the story, because you're going to be doing a lot of little things that we kind of brush over in the game. Like, you never get to talk to these other scientists in the book. You reference them, like you reference Giles right here.
Hello, Dr. Milford.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford. But this dialogue never happens in the book. So, oh, this is Cranston. I always mix them up.
Hey.
So it'll be just a little bit different, and you get to kind of explore their offices. I don't really go into the details of every space in the research facility or the offices and stuff. So that'll be fun for people too who have already read the books. And if you haven't, playing the game, it'll be really cool to actually get into the story and get into their heads, because you can't do the dialogue in their head. It's a first-person narrative book, so it'll be cool to kind of get some, you know, extra lore, I guess. Unity. I remember my first time. Exactly. Yeah. Emojis change when it appears here, so I gotta test it out. Ah, you're right. Yeah, they do change. And they change when they're in Restream and on actual Twitch too, so that's kind of funny. Okay, cool. So now that we have this working, we need to use it. Basically, I already have it, I think, parsing it as an, if it's a string with, like I'm exploding it into an array. So I probably don't need to. Just wondering, but is it just a coincidence I only somehow encounter this live stream at night? Or do you only stream at night? Yeah, no, Bradley, you're correct. I only stream at night. I kind of stream at the similar time every night too. So between like 11 and 11:30 p.m. Eastern time. That's when I usually start stream. So you probably catch it because of that. Yeah, no, I streaming is just kind of what I do to document the game development, to be honest. I mean, this isn't like my day job. I don't stream. I'm not a streamer, so Unity is my nightmare. Yeah, Unity's so hard. It's just whatever. It's a completely new framework and language. When I tried learning it, I was much more green as a programmer. I mean, I've been doing website programming for 20 years. I think I tried it back in 2000, maybe like 12 years ago was when I tried to build a game in Unity, and then realized that it would take over my life to have to learn how to make a fucking AAA game in Unity. Yeah, and I was talking about it on stream yesterday. Like, I really wanted to build like a fucking major game, you know, the next World of Warcraft, you know, but more 3D. I don't know. Wingdings. Yeah, I know. You only speak in emojis these days. 20 years. How about that guy from Blizzard? Well, I like to talk about... I used to work at Disney for a while, so I always bring that up. Yeah, I used to be a website programmer for Disney and for Warner Brothers and for... okay. Thanks. You're going to need this now that you're unemployed. And I used to work for Universal too for a little while, so yeah. You gonna play League of Legends? Hell yeah. That's a lot of power, Bradley. Good luck, my friend. Yeah, I hope you're subscribed so you can come back. See me again sometime. Love to have some more chats and questions. Oh yeah. That's way harder. Actually, I have no idea. Blizzard might be really hard to get into. Disney is horrible when you first start out, though, because they are not very nice to their contractors. They have like an 18-month death policy, basically. They have to hire you full-time or you're just fired. Like, they won't keep contractors for years like a lot of companies will. Disney, oh dude, everybody that's a full-time cast member at Disney is a fucking Disney adult too. Like, they think the perks that they get for working for Disney, like the extra tickets and the family stuff, they think like that is worth more than gold. So they're willing to take lower salaries for, you know, Disney merch and shit, which is crazy. I got one of the original Mandalorian stuffies. Like, that was the only thing I bought when I was working for Disney. I know, right? You literally die. You have no choice. So next mission logic. How is it getting stored right now? Next mission. Okay, so it's not in the class? That's weird. Well, where the fuck is it? It's probably in the... No. Yeah, where's the mission shit? Mission shit. Not in here. Isn't missions in the fucking HTML thing? Hold up. Here's missions right here. Sorry, Donna. But we have to cut the cost. Oh boy. Uh-huh. Fucking Mickey, dude. When they did the Mickey episode in South Park, oh my god. With the Jonas Brothers, that was monumentally one of the funniest episodes I ever watched at the time. And he's kicking him in the fucking face. Don't talk to me like that, little piece of shit. Oh man. Now I'm reliving it. Okay, so we have data mission, which is mission, sure. But wait, where do I get the fucking mission post? Wait, so what is this? It's explore, next. So do I not even have next mission set up? Where do I even use it? I'm so confused. Yeah. Yeah, it's his voice. It's good. Alright, now I'm confused. Where am I using next mission? I'm obviously using it. Next mission. Yeah, see right here. Oh, it's a class name that gets added to it. Well, how the fuck does that get added to it, though? Remove blockade if exists. Change it to next mission. If next mission exists, show it previously as complete. Okay, yeah, that's next mission shit. But where do I even set next mission? Doesn't make any sense. Because it's obviously not in the class. Hold on, let's search the whole fucking plugin. Now I'm confused. Style, style, style. Dev mode. Explore. Explore. Contains next mission. Style. Meta box. Oh. I have a... It's in the explore missions template. Ah. That's why I couldn't find it. Okay. So explore next mission. This is a linked mission. I'm getting this. But the problem is... Oh, see, this is where I do the whole explode thing if it's multiple. So now I need to see how I'm storing this in the missions. Because if it's not empty and it's not like that, it's being saved as an array. So this is going to be an array. So I might need to not do this anymore. Well, let's check the database. I need to know how it's saving. Because it's probably going to be like an on or off. Oh, well, it's empty right now. Hold on. Okay, so we do that, okay. And I only want to save the ones that are there, obviously. So we have 2. See, I don't need to save it like this. I just need to save it to the array. I don't need on in there. Whatever, fine. It doesn't matter. So now, if it's not... I don't need to explode it anymore. If it's... Yeah, we can just do this, basically. Not false, that, otherwise that. Okay. So if it's an array, it'll loop through it now. Right. What? Yeah, if it's an array, we'll search for the mission. This needs to array search the keys, though. So if it's an array, then we need array keys. Perfect. Now it should work. Alright, this should work. This should fucking work. I'm just going to push this to production and try to use it. Early morning gets bird. Wait, what? You should really start leaving things. Labeling. I'm tired of your autocorrect. Yeah, your conversations with yourself. Alright, let's push this up. FFCGEB. What? FFCGEB. That's it. Those are the notes I just played. Alright. Let's push this up and we'll give it a shot. We'll see if it works. If it does, we'll call it a night. If it doesn't work, we'll call it a night but be upset. Let's try this again. Flex keys. By the way, today's stream is brought to you by Flex Keys. Get Flex Keys. Yeah. Flex Keys. For ow, I can't. Sorry, I got a broken finger. Not broken. Cut finger. Flex Keys for flexing your fingers. Addictive toy that also helps you with agility and dexterity. Get them now. Flexkeys.shop. Gorilla's attacking. Flex Keys. Start flexing. Brought to you by Orbem Order. Flexkeys.shop. Get them now. $4.99. Very simple. And they come in a million well, not a million. A wide variety of color combinations. If you like red and gray, or black and gray. Actually, those look pretty cool, actually. Get them now. Orbemortar.com. Or flexkeys.shop, orbem.shop, orbem.store. You can get these in a million different websites. And best part is, we ship anywhere in the US. And you can even watch the journey of how I created Flex Keys right here on the website. Cool. Hey, look, there's me. With my hair looks good. On my hand I parted right differently just back then. Preoccupy myself while I'm sitting around. So here we go. I show the whole process of how I iterated and yeah. Get them now. Support the channel now. All right, looks like everything got pushed. Let's do it. So now we're going to go into here and we need to, where am I? What is this? Where am I? I think I'm in a mission. Okay. So the whole point of this is I need to create missions now. And the next mission is going to be a bunch of stuff. So we need, wait, did I already create Organize Your Office as a mission? Let me check here. Missions. Oh, I did. Organize Your Office right here. Cool. And I think the only problem now is that, yeah, see, look, next mission. You can multi-select now in production. Okay, so that's good. So let's see if we can start multiple missions now. with this one. And this mission gets started already. We already have the next mission set up for it. But now I have a feeling it's going to change. No, it'll still save. Should be fine. The data is going to be different though. This might actually break all the other ones. Hold on, let's go to the missions. So next mission for talk to your onboarder was going to be organize your office. Which this only uses, obviously, missions that are published. Oh yeah, it's collect your ID. That already had a mission set up to it. Yeah, so it got overridden. So let's change this to collect your ID. Make sure this works on a singular level. Did I see the thing in art? It took me a while to find that one. I think I did. Oh, my old logo? Yeah, for sure. Art. Yeah, that was my old website logo. Yeah, it wasn't that long ago. TBH. Alright, let's see if this saves. Looks like it does. I actually wanted to go into the Wayback Machine. Wayback Machine. And look at a MySpace page. And see if this existed. Oh, it did. Let's go back to 2005, everybody. Where is it? It says it's here. Oh, here we go. We'll see what this brings up. 2005. MySpace.com/Mulholland Fall. Oh, wow. What is loading? This is not a great load. Let me try to refresh. That's weird. I wonder if it looks better over here. That's way in the future though, so it might be already dead by then. Oh, wow, okay. Well, they changed MySpace a lot, it looks like. Will this actually play those songs too? I don't think so. No, it won't play. Oh, shit. Yeah. This is my old band. The Mulholland Fall. What? The hell is the Mulholland Fall? Nice. Are these all subpages? Yeah. How come this original page isn't showing? I really want to see what this looks like. Because this is when we were like, just starting out. Bummer. I got off on a tangent. Oh no, it's dead. What about HTTPS? Mulholland Fall. No. Same thing. Oh, here we go. Now we're talking. Orbem order / eplore. Oh, you want to see the old original game? I wonder if it'll let you play it. Oh, nice. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it wants to work. Alright, let's do it. You want to see the old Orbem Explore game? Before I redid it. Orbem order.com /explore. Oh, no. It's... Yeah. Yeah, explore. I think it's just explore. Yeah. Alright. Let's try the first one. Go! Man, it really likes my website, apparently. Oh, shit. Well, that's how you got that. Come on. It's not loading the game. Maybe the next one will. Possible. No, still doesn't have the styling. Unfortunate. It has the share buttons. That's really weird. It's not Flash. Are you out of your mind? This was built into my website the same way. I haven't built a Flash game since 2007, maybe? It just seems like none of the assets are loading. Hey, it's looking better though. This is all the dialogue from the game. It's just like the JavaScript's not loading. It seems like. Maybe it just needs more time to load. It's still loading. No account, register here. Explore today. What's that? Alright, let's try the next one. Because, I mean, I didn't update this for, you know, a while. Let me play my game. Next. Nope, still dead. Oh, you mean the current one on Orbem Explore? Explore. Sad. Yeah. Well, now this is like the landing page I came up with. Come on. I just want to play the old game. You think they'd be able to load it. But yeah, I'm guessing something about the JavaScript. It's just not loading. Let's jump way ahead. How about... Let's try here. Because I don't think I started building the new game until last year. So it should be able to check out the old one. You got this. Come on, way back. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're getting it. This is it. This is the actual game. This is the old map. See, so this is what the old game was. You literally walked around Orbem. So this is like the fantasy universe. And it had a bunch of little GIF characters you could talk to. Obviously, the JavaScript is still not really loading. And these are all different areas. And you could go into different areas here. This was Ziona's original character. Yeah, these trees are not great. I built this map on like a really shitty map builder. Alright, well if this works, let's see if I can refresh. Come on, load the JavaScript. Show me the money. No, this one still isn't that good. Alright, let's see if we can do one more in the future and see if it works. Come on, give it to us, damn it. Yeah, if you see the old logo, it should still be the old game. Come on. Next one. Show me the map. It's also possible the game was broken at this time. Yeah, I mean, it should be a snapshot. of the JavaScript and stuff like that. I mean, it's not inline JavaScript, so maybe Wayback can't use it. Oh, here's the new map. So then I hired somebody to actually create a real map based off of my old one. So I got this artist guy to basically render a brand new, higher quality map. And I used basically the same, you know, logic. Yeah, you still can't play it, but I think you get the point. So you'd walk around the map, and every time you walk into somebody, is it under 14 kilobytes? Oh, I don't know. Probably not. JavaScript file is pretty big. Hey, Diego, by the way, how's it going? Now you want to rob map assets? Yeah, take them. Yeah, and I did add some logic where, like, if you go into the water, it kills you. It does like a splashing sound effect and says, "Oop, I drowned. Need a boat." Yes, I know you didn't say that. And you could actually go into this area. This was Guillemong, and it took you to a new town. So I did actually have some new area logic as well built into the original game, but yeah. But now we have the new game, and the new game is a lot better. Yeah. The new map that I commissioned, it wasn't the right style for like a walk around RPG. Okay, let's see if this works now as a singular selection, so I know that it's not broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into Thyrus real quick and see if the mission works. Doop, 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 doop. Here we go. Oh, I gotta restart the game. Wait, talk to your onboarder. See, it's already not working because talk to your onboarder shouldn't show up. Well, let's see. Maybe I did finish that mission. All right. So go here, Thyrus. Nah, see, yeah, it still says talk to your onboarder. This should not be showing. It should be a next mission. Yeah, see, look at next mission array. So datum next mission. I need to fucking make sure this is working. Here it is. So next mission is mission name. Turns 2D maps 3D. Oh, if you still have the map image, I can load in the world generator. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I still have it. I have all the original maps. I'll send it to you in Discord sometime. So what is this doing? I'm taking the next mission, which comes out as an array. And it next mission, linked missions, next mission index. Wait, what is considered a linked mission though? Oh, explore next mission. So I'm setting the current mission's post name to the mission's explore next mission. Okay, so I'm adding arrays to this. And basically, if link mission, I'm also cross-checking it with the completed missions array. So I think the problem I'm having is that next mission is coming out as array, because you can't just echo it like this. I need to blow it up, I guess. How do we do this? Explode? No. We need to turn into a string. How are we gonna do this? We need to implode. And we'll make it, yeah, that. There we go. Something like that. Right? Right. Let's see if that works. I'll try doing this locally real quick, just so we can test it. Okay, well first we'll try it like that. So collect your ID. So let's go to local real quick. Go to Thyrus. Okay. Oh, we'll start a new game. Getting pretty good with my middle finger. You take any website assets and add it into my own archive because it makes cool background assets. Huh? Not wrong. Oh, we have an error. Why? Well, what is this error you speak of? I do not know. You are not showing me. Let's try again. We are getting an error. Null. Classless. Add. Okay. Why? It's probably something with the fucking next mission. Me? Function. Me? B? Oh, okay, it's just talking shit. I hate this minification. I can't fucking tell what the hell's going on. It's by the OAuth callback. Okay. Shrek the mosquito is a terrible asset. Sounds like it. Okay, so it's right here. Oh, spin Miro logo. Where am I using this still? Key guide. That's weird. Why is this breaking all of a sudden? What? Cannot read properties of null. Okay. I guess locally maybe I don't have it. That's fine. I guess we'll just do if element. It's always good to check if things exist before you use them. That is a good rule to have. Alright. Alright. Let's try again. You don't hate AI. Yeah, I changed my mind. Good. What? What now? The fuck is why is everything breaking? What did I do? Okay, this is confusing. I don't have time to troubleshoot stupidity. What is happening here? Node fetch list. For each mission list mission item. Okay. Load mission for each mission. So this is going through the missions. I feel like we're just losing the HTML now because of an error. This is probably what's happening. I'm probably breaking the HTML right now. So let's double check what we're getting here before we just start imploding it, because it has to be an array. Oh, you know what? I think I also need to do array keys. That might be the problem. Yeah, that might be the problem. Let's double check. No, it's not the problem. Alright, well then let's check what's going on here. Var dump. And in case you want to know what var dump does, it dumps vars. I'm going to say that more than once. I have a feeling this is not going to var dump unless I refresh. Okay, it's just not going to work, period. Okay, let's chill, everybody. Let's get rid of this and just double check that this is not breaking. Okay, so this is coming out as like I thought. Blah, blah, on. Okay. So then if we do array keys, then it should just be the two thingy doodads. Yes. And then if we implode with comma separated, then this should just be a string, comma separated string. And it is, yep, there we go. So that's good. But for some reason, it's not liking it. I don't know why. What if we just do this without that whole check if it exists thing? Let's try that. Okay, now it works. Cool. Okay, well, we're not getting any missions. So that's one thing. I don't know why. Oh, we have the missions. It's just not showing. Anyway. Next mission looks good. Okay, cool. So it has both. It's considered a next mission itself. Oh. Why? Shouldn't be. How do you manually remove AI generated? I don't know. What does that mean? Okay, so now data next mission is that. So it's saving correctly. Let's see, does it work if I remove them? It does. See, now this is making me think that next mission is the opposite. That if you have a next mission, that's what's required to make your mission show. But that's not correct. Because when we go into the next mission logic, now this is load mission blockade. Next mission. So we go here. Oh, let's see, yeah. So the mission is this mission. Save mission. Blah, 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 blah. Save mission. Show next mission. Show next mission takes the next mission from that mission. And it'll split it into an array if it's an array. Okay, so I think I have this right now. Okay, I'm going to push this up. I think this is going to work. What? I don't speak your language. After I push this, I am going to call it a night, everybody. It is much too late to be testing out this multi-mission set shit for me. So, hey, I want to properly thank everybody. Diego, thanks for jumping on, man, and asking a cool question like, is it under 14 kilobytes? Bradley Butler, thank you as well for jumping on and having a little convo with me. Appreciate the questions, and I hope you come back again soon. Under on play, always a pleasure, my friend. Thanks for coming back. My baconese. Hope your brother's all right. And enjoy the rest of your night and all your Roblox. Growius, thanks for saying hi, bud. Hope you come back and have more convos with me. And I hope you're subscribed. Han Programmer, always a pleasure. Mamed, thanks for the prayer. Can never say no to a quick prayer. If you want to give me one, I'll take it for free. Dak Dude, always a pleasure, my friend. I hope you have, I don't know, a better time. I know you're having trouble with all these new restrictions being put on YouTube. Talu, hey, how's it going? Thanks for jumping back in. Thanks for saying hi. And I hope you have a great day. I know you're working. Who else we got? Got a lot of chatter today. Yatin! Hope you have a great day. Harlow, thanks so much for jumping on, my friend. You are a real one. And always first to show up. And Sama, Mr. Cubic Meter yourself. Can't forget you. Really appreciate you jumping on and hanging out with me. And we'll talk more on Discord, I'm sure. And yeah, hope you all have an amazing night. And I hope that this works tomorrow. Have a flexing great night, everybody, and or day, whatever time it is for you. And I hope your fingers are agile and dexterous. If not, please. See, I need to start working with my flex keys a little bit more. I just dropped that. I blame the finger. All right, everybody. With that... Goodbye. Goodbye.